YouTube, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another POV ski. Currently right now we is leaving work. So I can see it is 11:28 and shit like that. But I'm trying to get out this bitch. These folks is taking forever, bro. I don't know what the fuck going on. But this shit crazy. Hey pretty girl, can you hear me? Damn, she can't hear me. Wait, you can? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Like, what the fuck? Bruh, this girl. Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Whoops. Y'all can't be all up in my business on good. Can you still hear me? Bro, this shit started doing. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Bruh. Hello, 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 hello.
Yes, I can. Yes,
like,
I
fucking
say yes.
something so I can know.
I did.
Anyway, chat. As y'all can see, it's like hella packed. I don't know what the fuck is going on up here, but yeah, it's getting to a point. And yeah, they need to get the fuck on. I got a fart. Like, come on, chat.
You say you gotta do what?
Bro, you late as fuck. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Finna have an aneurysm attack. Alright, just keep going. Just keep going. Alright, I ain't gonna cap. When I get up there, I had to put y'all down. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm about to scan this bitch out. Facts.
Are you talking to people?
She don't know, chat. She don't even know, chat. See, this happens when you don't pay attention. Like, you don't see your phone in my head.
I do, but I didn't know you was actually speaking. Like,
baby, what you think you think I'm just holding it bit up and just like talking? Like, but I'm just holding it. This just in my hand on God, like. No, I'm making a video. Alright, chat, give me 1 second. Alright, chat, we done made it out that bitch. That diesel truck. Pick up in my dually truck. them bitches right back down on God. But it is kind of hot. Fuck that. I'm not turning on the AC neither. You in this damn light. I'm thirsty as fuck. As soon as I get to the house, I'm finna take a shower, put my night clothes on, and I'm finna go straight to Quick Trip. Stay just like that too, your little fine ass. That's gonna be your contact picture too. You like a damn frog. Okay, my fault. The face you made. Come on now. That was kind of funny. No. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, she's mad at me. Stop being strange. Oh yeah.
I'm at my tia house. We gotta be quiet on the creek.
Okay. Wait, I gotta be quiet too. Okay. Wait. How long we gotta be quiet for? Wait. Come on, we're supposed to be being quiet for real.
I don't know. Just be quiet on the creek.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna roll the windows up too. Just let me know when I can talk. This my pretty girl. What I'm gonna do with her, I don't know. Okay.
Quiet on the creek.
Okay. Chad, y'all gotta be quiet. Be quiet. The queen said we gotta be quiet.
Once upon a time.
Oh God, thank you. It's getting hot, goddamn it. Woo! All right. Had to goddamn cut the windows down on there, boy. Both of my phones low on percentages. It's just like, you know. I low-key want some Wingstop. You remember you get some food, Mo? Yo, you looking like you don't want no goddamn Wingstop. I don't think she jacking the stop chat. Type. I ain't even know I had shit like this. Like, really shit going. Bro, nobody trying to race you, I promise. I promise you nobody trying to race that little shit. Bro, folks just be lining up on the side of me and then they just be pressing the gas. Like, bro, I'm not finna race you. Little slow ass shit. But I am gonna beat you. We whipped them bitches. We whipped them bitches at 70 on soul. Had to do it to them real quick. They was a little too far ahead trying to be like fast and shit. So I had to do it to them. She driving a boat, well, she might go Bacardi. And let me know, is this wind too much for y'all? Like, when y'all watching these videos, is the wind, like, overly? Because I know I really be having my windows down when I make these hoes, so y'all might just see me Mac. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, do y'all, like, still be hearing this shit, like, clearly? Bro, why is my phone upside down? Fucking stupid shit. Anyway. But yeah, do y'all be hearing, do the wind be too much? Let me know down in the comments, because if it is, then I'll just keep my windows open. Keep my windows up. But, yeah. Because that shit was just a little loud for me, but I don't know. I'm not really the one watching these hoes. No capper. But let me not say that like I just don't watch my own videos. I'll be tapping into my own shit. I ain't gonna cap. Got to tap in with your own shit sometime. Ain't that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. My shit had crunk up kind of like, it wasn't like too aggressive like it usually be. I had to force that shit out. I was like, no. Turn that bitch back on. See, I'm the type of nigga. I ain't gonna do it because it ain't no point. Mackington, regular, the fuck. On a smooth like Sunday night, you understand me? Don't get to breaking and shit, bro. Keep your ass moving on soul. You don't start that breaking shit. A little Charlie. Ain't talking about nothing. Appreciate that. That's how I'm gonna grip your head too. Alright, we're cruising for a bruising. Y'all don't know about no Teen Beach movie, nigga. Y'all don't know about that Teen Beach movie too. Really, Teen Beach movie 2 was ass. The first one was better. What that boy say? What that boy Austin say? Damn, what was that little theme song nigga singing? I forgot that shit. Forgot that little shit, but it don't mean nothing. You understand me? Cause get what? We pulling up to the house, so fuck it. Damn, I know y'all hear that shit screeching. It's okay. I got my new brakes and rotors already, so once I just install them bitches, cause like I said, I was trying to do that shit last Thursday, but I ain't even tell you. I tried to do that shit last Thursday, but that shit was not like catching. I don't know if I just didn't have the right tools, or well, I had the right tools. I don't know what the fuck it was. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, that's neither here nor there. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Never miss a new video, never miss a new vlog, never miss a new video, never miss a new POV. Ski. You know what I'm saying? So stay tapped in, stay tuned into all the content. We out.